It's fast, like the Flash. It's a package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. I'm here with my buddy.
Well, child.
And today we are going to talk about the 8-Bitdo M30 2.4 GB wireless gamepad.
Yeah, because the child gets wild.
Yeah, with his controller fetish.
I really like.
So yeah, what we're going to get within this package. We're having the controller that comes in this very cheap flimsy box. It's not very special. Cable for charging. And the little dongle that only can be used with original MegaDrive and let's say in clone system like my Retro Trio Plus.
Yeah, it didn't work on the Sega Flashback, so yeah, we cannot guarantee it to work on all clone systems.
Alright, let's take a close look at the controller. Alright, wild child, a moment of truth. Touch the controller.
Oh,
how does it feel?
Legit. Premium quality.
So,
yeah, what they say. It's
a really nice controller.
Really good.
Alright, let's play some games. I'm very curious, what are we going to get and how is the D-pad responding? Alright, let's do a little bit of testing of the 8-Bitdo controller.
It's really responsive. This game is so fast.
I've never played this one.
It's a long time for me too.
This is serious, a wicked fighting game.
Oh, it's a 6-button game. Nice. Oh, the D-pad is so nice.
In a game like this, you're going to need a good D-pad. Give you the best experience playing a game. So, buddy, so for the first time, you're doing pretty damn good.
Yeah, it plays a little bit like Street Fighter.
What do you think of it? I really love this game.
Yeah, I never played it before. Nice graphics too.
Time for some Spankman or Robin.
Very important that you got a good controller with games like this.
I never played this one. Looks nice.
It's nice. Really cartoony style.
Whoa.
It's a bomb.
You blow them up.
And also here the controller really responds nice. Very accurate. No delays. Go.
Alright, for the final conclusion, I know you're going wild boy, but I must say, I'm going to get myself one. This thing is very nice. It has a very nice grip, very good comfort, very high comfort. The buttons feel nice, the D-pad.
It's the best D-pad ever.
Yes.
Please people, take an example of this one, copy it in every controller because there's no better D-pad than this one. And I've tested out hundreds of controllers.
Yep.
Hundreds.
Yep, and this one, if nothing else come out, this is going to be the 2019 controller.
I dare you to say that this is the best controller ever for the price. So far, really.
So again, I don't, maybe there are some people already owning this one. Let me know.
No input lag.
Nope, nothing else. So I really love.
It's not noticeable. Of course, you always got some input lag, but we really didn't notice.
But this is what we're going to get, people.
Yeah.
I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell because we are having more.
Thumbs up for 8-Bitdo.
Yep, very nice. Leave a link in the description. See you next time.
Yeah. Bye bye, people.
Bye bye.
Give me that.